Why time, why I say it? No, I'm gon' keep on in the head. Keep on throwing stones, use them stones to line my greatest day. Them drugs be turning to my friends be turning fake. My mama said it's karma, catch her to me, I be dead. I told my mama before they take her son, I pay them red. Why if I been? Yo, it's your boy just here back in this dojo, another one. Alright, today we're gonna be doing 2sDxrt3all for me. Yeah, been listening to this nigga for like a month, 2 months now. Coming up, like it's like a new version of Lucky, you know what I'm saying? But more like, you know, street oriented. So I don't know, but like yeah, pretty much do ad-lib and shit. But yeah though, alright, we're gonna take a listen to this. I ain't gonna make this too long, you know what I'm saying? Just tell me you fuck with it or not. You just gotta trust me, ain't no place that we can go. Benny got the bennies when he sold the soul. Damn, ain't got no soul to sell, cause I'ma make it on my own. So many vibes, a motherfucker, that can't get me in my zone. Yeah. Why time, why I say it? No, I'm gon' keep on in the head. Keep on throwing stones, use them stones to line my greatest day. Them drugs be turning to my friends be turning fake. My mama said it's karma, catch her to me, I be dead. I told my mama before they take her son, I pay them red. Why if I been super fried? Dry eyes, you can't tell me you know the feeling. Dry eyes, I been cutting ties. Tell her I should run, cause ain't no way they got me, we can't find. Lately I been taking drugs, think they got me on my mind. Out my mind, taking drugs like how you want these riches? Niggas be so lazy. Yeah, this one, that. I been picking crazy. I told my brothers, ain't no drill, we really going up. Lean up, bring up me and only hoes I trust to roll my blend. Tap in, cut me and Shin. Let me get my cut. Her got me smoking crack. You touch my blunt. Bro, this beat is insane. Yeah, tap in, let me know what artist y'all want me to do next. Let me see y'all next one. Deuce.